who don't like free products? Hey MilleyRocks, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. Today we have a little different video. I am bringing to you guys a little inside scoop on how to get free products, okay? And I'm talking about free products with little to no subscribers, followers, social media platform. I'm giving y'all the inside scoop. So if you guys are interested in this video, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. So a lot of y'all have heard of me talk about influencer. What is it? I'm always talking about receiving free products. I do have my actual link in the description box on how you can receive free products, but a lot of you guys still don't know what it is. Basically what you need to do is you need to download the app. Once you download the app, you complete some surveys about yourself, about your demographics, who lives in your household, what area that you live in, and also start reviewing some, they call them snaps, and basically it's products that you have already used before. So they want to see how you review products before actually sending you out some products. I have gotten my mom hipped, I got some of my friends hipped to this, so all you gotta do is give your opinion and you can get some free products, okay? That's the easiest way to explain what influencer is. You do want to add your social media sites to your influencer app. All you'll need to do is log into your Facebook. They have Tumblr, they have Instagram, Twitter, any type of social media platform, they have it on there. You want to attach those to your actual influencer app, and then they'll give you a score, and then based on your score and who you are, they will start sending out some products, okay? So you don't have to have that many followers or subscribers to actually receive products. You just need to go ahead and start reviewing products, okay? So I just want to get right into some of the products that I actually received. I have a Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight hair kit, and basically this is a full product set of the Wash Day Delight line. This is the jelly to cream conditioner, and then I received the Wash Day Delight water to foam shampoo, and I have already used these products. I am still editing the videos that I did for these actual products. They tell you how they want you to review the product. So basically what it says is you want to log into the app, check out your campaign, and then you want to review your products on the influencer app. Then you want to do a how-to video or a Instagram post showing how to use the products, and then they want a picture, a before and after picture using the products. So some of us already do this. We already showcase products on our page, and sometimes we don't get them for free. So all you got to do is tag them and show them how you use their products, and you got free products, okay? This box retails probably for about 35 to 40 bucks, so for free. All I gotta do is give my opinion, which I do without being asked anyway. That is perfectly fine for me. So next I did receive the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This is a new foundation that is on the market. I did review this product already. I will post that video up in the cards ahead. And basically I received some foundation, and I just have to give my opinion on that. This campaign actually ends this weekend, so I made sure to complete all the duties that they asked me to do, post it on social media and review it on influencer. And reviewing on influencer. So influencer gives you a chance to review some new products that haven't yet hit the market. You get to give your opinion, let them know how good or bad the product is. Honest opinions, okay? Then I received a Willa color charm box, and basically what I received is a full hair dyeing kit, okay? So these are the color paints. This is the color that I received, and this is called Mulberry. I received 2 boxes of them. Also received the actual gloves and the container to put the dye in, as well as a brush, some developer, and as every box has a card in it, and it just tells you some instructions on what you need to do, how to post, and all that good jazz. So from food to makeup to perfume, anything you could think of. I received dog food for my little doggy. All types of free stuff. So this is another box. I actually did my full face using this makeup set today. This is by the brand Beauty Blender. A lot of you guys have heard of it. This particular box retails for about $150 or more, and I received it for free. So I received the actual Beauty Blender. I received the actual foundation. I also received the concealer, and I received the setting powder. So all of this for free, okay? And these products are pretty expensive at Sephora. Every last product that you see here is pretty expensive, and these are full-size products, and I received them for free. So those are the current campaigns that I'm actually working on right now. Then a lot of you know that I am married. I have a spouse. They actually asked me some questions about if I have a male in the household and how his face looks. Does he have a beard? They asked me some detailed questions, and guess what? He received a box through me, okay? So we're working on his campaign as well. This is the Own the Beard You Have campaign by Magic Grooming, and I haven't even opened this box yet. I mean, ciao. And let's open it up. And these are full-size products. I do have the little instruction card to tell us what they want us to do. For this particular box, they want us to test out the products, put a review on Influencer, and then post on Instagram. Easy peasy, okay? So he received a exfoliating scrub for his beard, face, and scalp. We also have a 3-in-1 wash, and this is also for the beard, face, and hair. No parabens, no drying alcohol. And then we have the beard and hair beard butter, okay? So these are full-size products. This is by Soft Sheen Carson. I know you guys have heard of that brand. And we're currently working on that campaign as well. So I know y'all seen all these boxes, all these free products that I have received. Got another box here that I have not yet opened. Or I did, but I didn't look at it. So this particular box, influencer box, is from Smuckers, the Smuckers brand. I did receive some apple cider vinegar shots. They are 10 calories. It has organic apple cider vinegar, ginger juice, black pepper, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. And yeah, so I have to review this product, see how it tastes, and get right into it. So yes, all type of products, food products, hair products, makeup products, cleaning goods, anything you can think of you can receive from Influencer. There are some other programs that you can also do, but Influencer is the one that I know and the one that I love and the one that I keep receiving products from. So yeah, y'all, what are y'all waiting for? Go ahead and click the link below, sign up for Influencer, and start receiving some free products no matter how big or small your social media platform is. Period. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want to keep you too long. I do have more products, but I didn't want to bore you with all the products that I actually receive. So if you guys love videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.